So if you feel tension in the body, if you can feel a particular point of tension, what you can do is you can kind of surround it with your awareness. You can hold it within your awareness. Now, your awareness can be felt a little bit like a mother holding and nurturing their baby. There's a cafe just round the corner from us called Mamacita. It's a really cool Indian cafe. And I met a friend there today, and they were having like a mother's meeting. So there were loads of young women with their babies. So it was me and my friend, and then probably 12 babies and 12 mums. And the mums were so sweet and nurturing and loving. They just absolutely loved these babies. And the babies all wrapped up in their little harness blanket things, and the mums are kissing it on the head. And they were bringing so much love and so much attention into the babies. They're soothing and regulating, constantly soothing and regulating the baby's nervous system. Because naturally, for a baby to go from the womb to the world, it's probably pretty intense. So the baby needs a lot of love, a lot of tenderness, a lot of care. Now, we all have this nurturing, feminine capacity, this mothering energy within our hearts. Both men and women have this capacity to nurture. But rarely do we bring it to our own nervous system. And that is what's needed. It's like the overactive nervous system is a baby crying, a baby struggling, a baby stressing. And we need to bring a loving attention into it. Now, the mother isn't trying really hard to nurture the baby. The mother is gently, effortlessly holding and nurturing the baby. In the same way, we gently, effortlessly allow our nervous system, allow all the tensions and tightnesses and areas of uncomfortability and areas where we're kind of crying inside a little bit. We invite them. We allow them to come closer to us. And at the same time, we gently allow our attention to seep into this nervous system. There are so many practices and techniques and methods out there. And very often, techniques and methods for regulating the nervous system can help, but very often they are devoid of the only thing we really need in order to soothe and heal our nervous system. And that is love. The amount of times you see pop up on YouTube, shake out all of your stress in 5 minutes. Do this in 10-minute breathwork class to release all your anxiety. Now, those things have some use, but they are so inferior to the effortless practice of simply meeting yourself with love. Now, at first, you may think, I don't feel loving. I don't feel this love. You may be very thinking. This may be an intellect. You may be very much in the intellect, and you're not really in touch with that energy which I'm speaking of. And I was like that when I first started. I didn't know that I had this love inside. I'd never brought that to myself. But over time, through feeling the body, through welcoming pain, over time, very gradually, this loving, motherly kind of energy started waking up within my heart. And there is a wonderful warmth to it. We all have nurturing qualities within our consciousness which may be dormant because of conditioning and repression. Often, especially for men, care and nurture is conditioned out of us. And to bring care and nurture to ourselves seems weird. For me at first, it felt strange. But now it is completely natural. There is a love here, holding my body, holding my nervous system. So I'm going to give one more little tip on this. I was in the cafe with the mothers, and I was watching one in particular who was just quietly sort of in the corner with her baby, and the baby's got its little hood up and the mother's holding it, and she's giving it a few things to nurture its nervous system. The first thing, and probably the most important, she's giving the baby her attention. Wherever you place attention, love flows. So if you place your attention within a place of tension in the nervous system, within a place of anxiety within the nervous system, or whatever it is you're feeling, if you place your attention there, all you have to do is place your attention there, and love, whether you realize it or not, will start to gently flow to that place. So the first thing she was doing is she was giving the baby her attention. And next, she was physically holding and touching the baby. Now, if you have an overactive nervous system, then maybe, as well as giving it attention, you need to physically touch your body in a way that is soothing to you. Combining these two things, giving attention to the body and touching it in a loving way, can really start to soothe the nervous system. And these two things can really bring you out of that agitated mind and back into your body and back into the present moment. Because the overactive nervous system throws us into the mind and takes us out of the present moment. So in giving attention to the body, we are meeting ourselves. We stop running away from ourselves. We come into the body and we come into the present moment and we come in contact with our being. Now, one other thing that you could try, the mother, she gives attention to the baby, she holds, she touches the baby, and she's also sweetly whispering to the baby, I love you, it's okay, I've got you. So what does the pain within you need to hear? What does the pain within you want to hear? And in the comfort of your own home, your own room, away from anybody else's judgments, what do you really need to hear? What does your body really need to hear? And you speak it directly into your heart, or directly into the tension wherever you feel that within the body. Sometimes the body just needs to hear the words, "It's okay. It's okay." Or, "I've got you. I've got you. I've got you." Or, "You're safe. You're safe. You're safe." Or, "I love you. I love you. I love you." Okay, my friends, thank you for tuning in. I hope that you learn to nurture yourself in this way. And if you do, there's no doubt that this energy of love will wake up within your consciousness. And it's quite beautiful. So, yeah, good luck with it. Thank you.